All right, y'all, so it is so hot out here, but I am out here because I am grilling. I guess it's extra hot because I'm literally standing right in front of the grill. Oh wait, there's a nice breeze. Oh, that was nice. So anyway, I'm gonna be grilling, I'm already grilling some burgers. Those are the burgers. I'm gonna be using the Sweet Earth Awesome Burger, grilling this up. And I'm going to be grilling the Sweet Earth Jumbo Vegan Hot Dogs. Both are amazing on the grill. I miss hot dogs. I used to eat them all the time as a kid. I really love them. You guys know I'm an ambassador for Sweet Earth, so this video is sponsored by Sweet Earth. Rewind. Before I headed to my dad's house, I made some toppings for the burgers and the grilled romaine. Because I always have a ton of watermelon rind, I figured how about I make a watermelon rind relish for the hot dogs, and it turned out amazing. Peel the rind, then mince it. Add it to a mixing bowl along with diced onion and sea salt. Let that sit for a while and then bring it to a simmer in a pan along with sugar and apple cider vinegar. It's tangy and it's sweet and perfect for hot dogs or burgers. I also made a smoky peach dressing. Add ripe peach, miso, smoked paprika, apple cider vinegar, mustard, and extra virgin olive oil to a blender and blend until creamy and smooth. Once the grill is hot, grilling is so easy. The romaine should be added cut side down to the grill. Cook that for about 2 minutes or until it has grill marks. Add the Sweet Earth Awesome Burgers and the Sweet Earth Jumbo Vegan Hot Dogs to the grill and cook for about 12 minutes, flipping halfway through and rotating the hot dogs a few times. I've never eaten a real hamburger, but these look really good. Okay, y'all. Now, before we call it a day on the grilling, we have to have dessert. So I'm gonna grill some peaches. I have this recipe in my cookbook. It is the bomb. Down here in Georgia, we have the best peaches, and I can say that unequivocally because I've lived a lot of other places. And being back here, I can confirm our peaches are the best. You can do so many things with peaches. I usually just eat them raw as a snack, but I also really love them grilled. So I'm grilling them, and then I'm going to top them with vanilla ice cream. It's the bomb! Grill your peaches cut side down for about 5 minutes or until it starts to soften and the fruit gets grill marks. While we're at it, toast the burger buns for about 1 minute, but be careful not to burn them like I did. Top the grilled romaine with the smoky peach dressing. These hot dogs were great with just the relish for a topping. It doesn't need anything else. I spread some vegan mayo on my burger buns. Is this what people usually do on real burgers? I don't know, but I like to do it. And I topped it with romaine lettuce, tomato, and onion. Yes, it's delicious. Let's see if my family also approves. All right, Caleb, tell me what you think when you eat it.
All right.
It's all vegan. Well, Caleb grew up vegan, so he already knows.
It's really good.
Yeah? You like that relish?
Yeah, the relish is sweet.
Yes.
Kind of tangy.
Yeah. Yay, good.
It's candid, and what does that mean?
Just, you know, just pretend like I'm not filming.
Okay.
I'm not recording you right now.
Boy, this looks really good. Should I try it?
Yes.
Okay. Will do. I love lunchtime. When I was in school, lunchtime was my favorite subject. Yummy.
Should I put it in my housewarming menu?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, so I had just a little bit of a break. I ate some food with my family. They like everything, so that is awesome. But now it's time for dessert. So as you know, I already grilled the peaches. They are gorgeous. They are very sweet peaches, nice and firm, not too ripe, and then you grill them and it just brings out so much more sweetness. I didn't add any sugar or anything, not necessary. But I am gonna top them with vanilla ice cream. So let's do that right now. Y'all, the vegan ice cream I bought is not the best, but the peaches still look good. That is really good. Whew. After a long day, not really a long day, but a long afternoon of cooking, here's the thing, it's really hot out here. I'm filming a video, so it took a long time. But anyway, after all of that, I finally get to eat. So I'm gonna start with this burger. Looks so good and juicy. The tomato, it's just, Now we will move on to my hot dog with this delicious relish. Well, I'm gonna break it in half because I want to see the inside. My cousin, he said that the hot dog tastes exactly like a real hot dog. His words, not mine, but let me confirm. The hot dog is so legit. And the watermelon rind relish, like, I'm just gonna pat myself on the back for that. I was trying to think of what is an easy, like, sort of like a side dish to go with the hot dogs. Watermelon rind wet relish. I thought of it because I had a ton of watermelon rind that I was putting in my compost bin. And it's like, ding, 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 I can use this for something. So give it a try. All the recipes will be posted on my blog. I'll have the links down below so you can head over to that and make all of this yourself. I'm also going to link to the Sweet Earth website where you can find out where in your local area you can purchase Sweet Earth products. I love Sweet Earth products. They are my favorite vegan alternative products for the burgers. They also have the best sausages, and these hot dogs are legit. This is my first time trying their hot dogs. They're super duper legit. So check out the link for Sweet Earth down below. Thank you to Sweet Earth for sponsoring this video. So I've got to say, and my family confirmed, that these recipes are perfect for my housewarming party. So I will be posting them all to my blog. And I will eventually be having a legit official housewarming. I just have to wait for my outdoor furniture to arrive. You know, everything is on back order right now. So luckily I have my dad's house in the meantime. But when I do my housewarming party, I'll be sure to do an Instagram or YouTube live so you guys can join us as well. And if you have all the recipes ahead of time, then maybe you can cook as well. Yeah? Sounds good. All right, y'all know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe right now so you don't miss a future video. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.